Hello.
صحيح.
هذا
السلام عليكم. اليوم ان شاء الله خرجه جديده. انا عنوان تي فيلاج سموه جيملي. كان ايفينمون تما يديروه شاك موا دوت شاكاني موا دوت. ايفينمون فيه شحال من حاجه، فيه امور خاصه بلي زونفون تما، فيها واحد النيفينمون تما يعجبني تاع الفايكينغ. شغل اللي يصنعوا تي فيلاج هكذا، كل يجيبوا ناس يمثلوا يلبسوا لبسه تاع الفايكينغ، وكانك راك في وقت خاطر رحت للباسي وراك عايش معاهم في دوك الفايكينغ. ان شاء الله غادي نشوفوا هذا وهذا فيه لاك كبيره تما هذا جيملي. ان شاء الله نفوت على خير.
وكاين على 12 ولا 11 على 11 ولا 12 يحلوا واحد الماناج جاي باب. العام اللي فات رحنا له، ركبنا واحد اللعبه اللي كنت غادي نبكي كبيره وكاع. هيا نروح نوريكم معانا. هذه جيملي بلاصه كبيره.
هذه ثاني بكات.
انا كنت غادي نبكي بصح هي طحشه بكات.
خوف. غادي كي نوصلوا غادي نوريها لكم and you guys are gonna decide if it's scary or not because انا كنت
نروح على الوقت ان شاء الله.
So I'm gonna translate what they just said. So basically we're going to Gimli and there's like we're gonna attend an event. Seatbelt. We're gonna attend an event for like a Vikings. So we're gonna learn about them and look like their life and how they used to live. And we're gonna go to an amusement park at the end. We're gonna take some rides there and we're gonna like give some like rate them for like the scary one.
هو جيملي بعيد على وينيبيغ سيتي ب 100 كيلومتر.
Combien d'heures?
1 heure la voiture 1 heure 9 minutes.
1 heure 9 minutes. An hour 9 minutes. So see you there guys and bye bye.
تمشيهم ولا هذا
Palestina. My dad is back. دوك نعمرو في ليسانس ورانا طريق جيملي ان شاء الله. جيملي boy.
ما شاء الله. شو كي داير ربي يبارك.
Bro, calm down. Calm down. Wonder Shores. We're in Gimli. Yay. Why are you wearing your glasses? You look so weird with your glasses.
Shut the hell up.
For you, okay? So feel free to drop it in, and we're gonna see where it lands at the bottom.
So we're gonna ask me like one of the questions, like
Exactly, yeah.
Okay.
Whichever topic you get. Okay, bike safety. Do you want to drop yours now, and then I'll ask you guys your questions?
Oh.
Okay, you also got bike safety. So do you guys ride your bikes a lot, or not so, or every once in a while only?
Sometimes.
Okay.
Not that much.
So do you guys know your hand signals? When we're on our bikes, we use our arms to say if we're turning left, right, and stopping. So do you know what those three signals are with your arms?
I know the one where you turn into the right, you just like put your arm.
Yeah. Yep.
For the stop one, I don't know.
There's a hint, maybe behind you somewhere, maybe there.
Oh.
Okay, so this is for stopping. Well done. And it's always with your left arm.
It has to be with the left?
For stopping,
Okay.
yep. And then for left turn, you're just using your arms to extend left. And for right turn, pretty easy, it's only that. For right, as you can see, we also did used to have this one. So you can do either one if you're turning right. Okay, well done. So you can have a bracelet, and you can also feel free to grab stickers for your bike. We have some lights here for your question now.
I don't know too much talking
I'm gonna
English.
translate it.
Okay, sounds
Like
good.
I can know something but not laughing.
Okay. What's something on your bike that you should check to make sure it's working properly before you go for a bike ride?
I know.
Break.
Brave.
Oh, vous êtes francophone?
Yeah.
Ok, bien enchanté. Ok, d'accord, oui, absolument, les freins. So, on va toujours vérifier l'air dans nos pneus, les freins, ainsi que la chaîne pour vérifier qu'il fonctionne bien avant d'aller pour conduire notre bicyclette. Bien
Et ça,
fait.
je sais pas comment ça fait encore.
Une cloche, on
Une
appelle
cloche
la
pour-
cloche.
Oui, pour des fois que c'est comme quelqu'un dans votre toile, tu peux faire ça.
Exact. Si quelqu'un est dans votre chemin, puis parfois ils ont des écouteurs là-dedans ou que ce soit, on utilise ça pour leur indiquer, ok, on vient à l'arrière de toi. Ok, très bien. Donc tu peux aussi prendre un bracelet. On en a essayé.
واش انس واش ربحت؟
ربحت هذه ربحت هذه تاع مانيتوبا بوبليك ربحت هذه وزدت ربحت بغاسلي وهذا.
They asked us about some questions about the safety when you like need to like ride a bike or something. Yeah, so we answered the questions and we won.
And this one too.
So let me ask you this. That's a bicycle right there.
I'll make
We win this.
اوه
We win this together.
الله يبارك.
On a mis le nom pour le tirage.
We win this together. That's mine.
Some paper.
شنو هذه؟
تاع الزيت.
Where's mine?
عندك ان كارطون باش تحط فيه كيما نقولوا بارزومبل تقيسو كاش بيله ولا
اي تحطه هنايا. صنع كي كوب ايوه تدخل الداخل.
ربحت لك هذه واحده اخرى.
تاع اللي باتري
هاك.
هذه.
ربحتها لك.
الان كوب تحط فيها. برازيل.
You want to talk to some of those very acquainted. Do you know the rules?
Nope.
Helmets, male, ask permission. They'll probably let you do it 99.9% of the time. If you have anything, please ask us questions. You can go from there. Other than that, oh, and one last thing. This is the silly one. The fire is real, fire is hot, fire will burn. The reason we say this is because someone once stuck their hand in it, thinking it was fake. It is not. This is a live and living acting village. Please keep track of your young ones. Keep track of this one.
Yeah, I know.
You know, so she might get in trouble. You keep track of this one. All right. Other than that, ask us questions. They want to talk to you. I don't. So go inside.
Thank you.
So basically, I'm playing the brand. My job is trying to stop this guy from escaping, and we've learned that he's easily once you get going. We're trying to stop him doing that. Yes. Most of them.
So modern aesthetics. We like the wood grain. We like how the wood looks. It tells a story. It's beautiful. We love our oak kitchens. We love our maple kitchens. Historically, lumber's everywhere. It doesn't look bad. If you paint the chest, that means it's going to work.
I just got here. Oh, this is a little guy right there. But yeah, they would be.
Oh, hi, you made it too. Awesome. Hello. If you have any questions, I can at least attempt to answer them. Hot fire, hot sun, hot. Yeah, or fava beans?
That's a
Dry
cod?
Dry cod, yeah.
Is it salt?
This one isn't, so not real, this isn't real hard fish.
No,
It's,
okay.
it's the closest I could find.
honey.
If my feet are getting sore,
Run into my bedroom. This is my house for the weekend. Seriously. About 90% of the Vikings here in Kit are staying in village. We all sleep in the tents, yes. Yep, we sleep. This is mine and my wife's bed. This is my nephew's bed here. We camp, like my dad is actually across, he's the Fletcher. But actually, there's not much difference in weight and everything as well.
The same.
They're pretty much the same weight.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, the same.
yeah. But like I said, with the balance point, if I remember where my balance point is, because this is my personal sword, the one I fight the most with. That's about where my balance is.
قاري.
A few moments later.
My dad just left.
He left us in the car.
Gimli Styles?
I meant Gimli! Dumbass!